According to the 2003 National Electrical Code, there is no broad requirement to seal airtight vertical wires that penetrates all plates, fire blocks, or top plates in residential structures. However, it's important to be aware that some local amendments may exist that enforce such a requirement. The primary intention behind sealing vertical wires is to prevent air from flowing freely through stud chambers. This can be important because air movement within walls can potentially contribute to the spread of smoke and fire, especially in the event of a fire. This consideration is particularly relevant in multi-story structures, where the potential for fire to spread rapidly is a greater concern due to the vertical pathways available. Now let's consider solutions for accessing exterior walls in hip-roof structures that lack a basement or crawl space. A method to do this involves cutting small access holes, approximately 2 inches by 4 inches, in the sheetrock at the point where the wall and ceiling meet. Then, you can carefully notch the top plates to accommodate the wire, and pull the wire down to the device box. To protect the wire after installation, apply a nail guard over the notch. Finally, patch, texture, and paint the sheetrock to restore the wall surface. Before you begin cutting into the sheetrock, take a moment to inspect the area and ensure that there is no blocking in a way that could interfere with the wire run. Blocking refers to pieces of wood installed between studs to provide structural support or fire stopping. If blocking is present, you may need to adjust the location of your access hole or find a way to work around it. When notching the top plate, be sure to only notch as deep as is absolutely necessary to accommodate the wire. It's crucial to leave at least 1/2 inch of the plate's width intact to maintain the structural integrity of the wall. Removing too much material from the top plate can weaken the wall and compromise its ability to support the structure above. Always use a metal nail guard to protect the wire from potential damage caused by nails or screws that may be driven into the top plate in the future. A nail guard acts as a barrier, preventing fasteners from penetrating the wire and causing a short circuit or other electrical hazard. After patching the sheetrock, consider applying fire stop material around the hole or notch. Fire stop material is designed to seal gaps and prevent the spread of fire and smoke through walls and ceilings. This will help to maintain the integrity of the fire barrier and slow down the spread of a fire in the event of an emergency. An alternative method involves drilling access holes through the attic floor and locating a junction box in the attic. This approach eliminates the need to access the exterior wall through the sheetrock, which can be beneficial in situations where access is limited or difficult. However, keep in mind that this method requires additional materials such as a junction box and wiring, and may not be feasible in all situations due to space constraints or other factors. Some other options could be to use a flexible drill bit with a right angle attachment. This specialized tool allows you to drill through tight spaces where a standard drill bit would not fit. The flexible shaft allows you to maneuver the drill bit around obstacles, while the right angle attachment allows you to drill at a 90-degree angle, making it easier to reach difficult areas. An articulating drill can be manipulated around obstacles, making it easier to drill access holes. The articulating head allows you to adjust the angle of the drill bit, making it possible to drill in tight spaces and around corners. Electrical fish tape can be used to pull wires through narrow spaces, including those behind hip roofs. Fish tape is a long, flexible strip of metal or plastic that is used to guide wires through conduit or other confined spaces. To use fish tape, simply insert it into the space and push it through until it reaches the desired location. Then attach the wire to the fish tape and pull it back through the space.